Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we on phone apps notification in our Infinix phone device. Friends, we want to on guys your app notification guys. You want notification on your screen. So how can you turn on guys your phone apps notification? Today friends I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So friends, now let's see how can we on guys phone apps notification in our Infinix phone device. So when we will on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends, you can see this tab of setting and we will click on guys this phone notification setting. Notification center guys, tap here guys, wait for 5 and 6 seconds, then guys we can on guys phone apps notification guys from here. So guys you can see guys your all app list guys, you can see this app already on notification, but guys you can see guys your Meet and guys Google Map notification is off. So fine, you can on from here your Gmail and like that guys your file notification guys, which not app guys you want notification guys, you can on from here guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to on phone app notification. After on guys when notification will come guys, you can check on your screen. So like that guys we can on guys YouTube notification also. So like that guys you can on guys your apps notification. So bye guys.